The practice of sort of CAD work hasn't changed a huge amount since I've been using it. You do things the same way.
I remember myself looking for 5 bolts and 3 ball bearings for so long on hard copy books.
The old world engineering has to go, and what does new world engineering look like?
When I started my career, most engineering companies hardly used computers.
If you don't use AI, you're behind.
AI has to be a complete ecosystem.
The hype meter is off the charts, just like cloud was in the early days. But the impact is going to be real, and it will affect every organization.
So we started from interviewing and surveying more than 900 mechanical engineers. How we can help you, how AI can help you, and we just listened.
The first thing that made Leo AI stand out to me was the fact that they had real customers using it for real problems.
It's doing the legwork, it's going out and getting the information for you and putting it in front of you and saying, here it is and here's where I got it from.
To allow mechanical engineers to turn their ideas into physical products faster than ever before.
Much more focused on innovation and much less on pipe routing and the screw choosing.
With Leo, I rely on the way he showed me, the equation, the numbers. When I see it's everything checked and everything is right, I'm way more confident.
It's removing that hesitation. So I'm not relying on it perhaps, but I'm doing much better work.
Leo was able to really make a 3D prototype, generate a much more detailed, much more accurate. The Word document that came out was even just nicer and more nicely formatted.
Leo is trained and can also reference like over the 1 million pages of engineering handbooks.
We connect it into your organizational systems so it knows your context. It allows you to answer questions based on your documents, based on your CAD.
It's mechanically based. I can not only trust it, but I can actually verify it.
It's not to replace the engineer, it's just to support the engineer.
There's so many hours of time saved.
It was producing tolerance analysis within seconds. What might have been an afternoon's work becomes half an hour.
Less things that are annoying and more things that are engineering, that are actually interesting.
We were cutting build time down by 47%.
And you can see like millions of dollars just vanish from your expenses just because you did this process with Leo.
And really, think of AI for your engineering organization almost as a force multiplier.
Yes, there's a team of 4, but actually there's a team of 5. Because Leo acts as the 5th member of the team. Now I can look and act and behave and deliver like a team of 100.
Actually, trying to learn how to use it was, really easy.
With Leo, it's generating the calculations, it's generating the model, and then even further now, I have the assembly inspector.
We are a hardware company, and Leo Solutions and Leo software and application is the connection between the hardware and the AI.
The danger for these customers in terms of not getting involved in AI.
You're going to get left behind very quickly. Efficiency is the real key.
This is going to be united workflow for all mechanical engineers.
How could we go back pre-AI and pre-Leo AI? It would be inconceivable to do that.
They're adding the new features and they're pushing it on. It's like, oh wow, I have a new superpower. I can do this now.
Leo AI is not an add-on. It is going to be the workflow. And we're going to change how humans build products.
Leo AI is part of that second half of the story, the great story of software tools helping engineers.
This is a wave. Ignore it at your peril, but it is a wave that's going to happen.